Hey there, you. Welcome back to another spiritual oracle card reading. Yes, my name is Brian Nesline. I am a psychic, clairvoyant, empath, intuitive, oracle card reader. Ooh, what's that all about? These are just names and labels to try to just describe that I'm going to be picking some cards out of here and I'm going to be looking at them. And intuitively or spontaneously in the moment, I'm going to allow information to just flood my consciousness space, my spiritual space, my third eye space. I'm using these multiple words to describe that so that it makes it easier for people to recognize their own third eye or spiritual identity or innermost self or imagination space or spiritual consciousness, right? Their awareness. So we're just using our spiritual body, our awareness, to be able to be free in the moment and allow a spontaneous experience to occur, to unfold, to be a part of, so that we can see what comes out. And it's all so good to be playful in this land of make-believe. In the land of make-believe, what am I saying? We are making beliefs all day long when we are opening our mind and allowing the present moment to be like a little beach where we can create a little sandcastle, one that's going to get washed away. Ooh, it's going to get washed away because the next moment's going to come along and bring some new information. And you know it's like this. You know it's child's play to be alive. You know it's child's play to allow yourself to kind of relax and just be in the flow of the hey and the now and the what are we doing? We're right on the shoreline. The water is coming close. It's going to wreck our stuff. Aw, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. If the water washes it away, there'll be something new that you can bring in next. Remember, we're spiritual beings, or we are consciousness, or we are an awareness that is having a playful experience with words and images in the world. Words and images and emotions. Think about this. That's what's happening here in this reading. I am just relaxing. Maybe I'm taking a breath so that I can flood my blood with oxygen, clean out all of the thinking so that there's nothing but a blank space in there. See, when I take a long, slow breath and hold it in for a moment, I get into that quiet space of consciousness, where there's nothing that needs to be done. There's nothing that's right or wrong. I can just relax and let the song of the sea of life unfold and let it bring with it some little gentle words into my mind space. Or I get out of the scary bugaboos. Look at that, scary boogeymans. Ooh, don't let the little scary things come and get you, right? I get out of the fears represented by these little darker looking faces and I get into this whoa, look at that comforting purple crown chakra rhino with the double horns. What's that? Well, this is all of that sweet pastel wisdom that we are really comforted into. Every day of our life, we are surrounded by new words, new ideas, new thoughts. And we can just sit there and suck on our thumb, meaning like we can just be a little baby in this spiritual birthplace, knowing that we are safe and protected all the time because there's just one big power that is animating our world, animating our individual selves, and rebirthing us, reborning us with new information moment by moment as the tides come in and wash away what we were just doing and bring in that blank space of new dreams that are coming to pass. Now, the purple rhino's got two horns because this represents the twofold nature of who we are. We are a word machine and an emotion machine. Think about it. As we are piloting this world, we really are those two towers in this castle. We are up here in emotions and up here in words. And when we bring them together, we create a little palace, a kingdom of heaven, having something we're having is real and recognizable. We're dreaming with our words and our emotional activities. So we're taking actions with our little pail and shovel to build up little things on the shoreline of our personal life. So don't worry. It is all a big playful toy type deal. We are little boys and girls who look like we're mature adults living inside of personal lives. Personal lives. Your personal life is very sand-like, right? It keeps changing. You build something up. Oh no, I hope it doesn't fall. And then it crashes when the wave comes in and washes it away. Let go. Let go, let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it go, let it go, let it go. You don't have to try to make anything happen. You don't have to try to get these two things, these two parts of you, to see eye to eye. They're already in alignment. Look at the two horns. Look at the two tops of the kingdom castle. And look at the two people here. They're united by your green heart chakra. This is saying, come out of your limited house of who you are as a self in the world. Let go. Be playful. Come out into your outer world, up here to the beach, and really just let go and let your words and emotions flow. Let them be convinced that you are a spiritual being having a human experience. Let yourself know that you are more than what you thought you were. You're more than your past. You're more than your words. You're more than your things. You're more than your feelings about stuff. You're more than today. You're more than tomorrow. You're more than yesterday. You're more than your database of your personal self in the world. It's so important to let go and know that you are simply God, source, universe, having this beautiful, relaxing experience, this white light, this crystal, this big rainbow flavor coming into the world, the black and white duality, the elixir, the creator, the maker, the one divine masculine friend. Your words never end. They come out of you. They animate things. They give shape to the sandcastles that you're shoveling onto the sandy beach of your personal life. Here comes that blue wave. Don't worry about it. Don't worry when your house comes down. Let it go. Be the one who is that what? Green heart chakra woman, meaning that you are flexible. You are giving birth all day long. With the divine masculine, the divine feminine combined, they make these new structures. And know that you are always going to be that little boy, meaning that little boy blue, meaning the blue throat chakra, meaning the one who can always come up with new words, the one who can always feel safe and protected inside, the one who is forgiven for what he did or didn't do. He did or didn't do. We're all just doing our best in this world. Look around at others and know this. They're all just like you. They're all just people, right? Make that decision. They're all just people like you. Look at you. Boom, 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 boom. Out there in that green heart chakra water. Feeling stuck or indecisive? Listen to your intuition and make a decision. Because when you do that, that's you picking up the little pail and shovel, making a decision with your words and your actions, and you'll start to shape some type of a playful experience in the world. Remember, sometimes the clouds come in, but it doesn't matter. Just remind yourself that you, as a spiritual being, a God consciousness, a light of the world, is in charge, and there's nothing that you really have to worry about. You've got all that white light power coming through you. You have learned how to overcome this black and white world, this snake, this serpent of words and emotion. You're there with your beautiful shovel or throne wand. What's that? Your black and white duality, casting with words and emotions all day long. Sitting in your throne chair inside your castle right there, having just a goody good time. This world is just a big mirror. It's a reflection of what you have in your heart and mind. It is simply responding to your true emotional and mental states. It's so good when you let go and go with the flow up. Bow up to the light and give the sun shine its place in your life. Look at her. She doesn't care. She let all the stress go. You know you can do this by just being you. You know you can do this by remembering that you are a child of the light. You are the sunlight incarnate. You are the one who is, oh, greatity, great, great, great. You are. There's not another like you, and there never will be. The important thing is for you to loosen up, shake it up, be the one, be the kid, be the child, be the one, be the flow, be the no, be the God conscious, restlessness, triumphant. There's your wand. There's your do no harm stick that you're holding. That symbol from the nursing program stuff, medical field. Do no harm. As you're on this wheel of life, bringing all your joy to the city of the world. The city of the world. You're formulating things with your ideas and your emotions. All of the stories you tell yourself, they're all being reflected back in some strange, unusual, beautiful breakthroughs are happening, beautiful way that we are all a part of. It's amazing. I mean, what can I really say? You just have to decide, right, if anything else, that God is real, that you and God are one. Just like Jesus said, yo, if you've seen me, you've seen the Father. Oh yeah, rebel, white light, burning light, burn that light down, bring that light into the world, break the chains of duality, know that you are that Technicolor dream coating on top of a person in the world. You are just like Jesus. Ooh, did I say it? A brother or a sister of Jesus? What? What are you saying now, Brian? That your name is Brian Christ? Oh, well, I didn't say it, did I? But yes, I did. And something inside of me said, why not? And you can say that too. And if you want to accept something like that in your life, you can also just say, hey, I'm the Spirit of God. I'm the Son of God. I'm the daughter of God. I'm the light of God. I'm the part of God called me that's here in the world. I'm going to break through and break free and accept the help that heaven has for me all day and night, week, month, year, eternity. Oh, you know, this reading is whatever it is, and you're getting from it energy or an experience. It's going to bubble up little things in you that you are going to be thinking about. And it's just here to be a little bit of a shake your hand spiritual friend, a little wink in the eye, glistening of something like a life purpose reading to show you that you are that bright light and you are that green heart chakra, and that the world and you are friends, and that you can create anything that you want to on this blank white canvas of the world. Take care, everybody. Whoa, leave me a little comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Please help this channel to grow by hitting the like button. Ooh, watch more of the videos if you're drawn to it. I'm here publishing every single solitary day from now until the end of time, because I give a crap about living as a spiritual being. Whoa, 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 having a human experience. Take care, friends. Goodbye.